get out of here. I'm getting ready for T-shirt Tuesday, man. Dude, you're waiting for me? Come on, dude. Let's do this.
It's T-shirt Tuesday, man.
T-shirt Tuesday. Man, we gotta figure out like what shirt we're gonna do this week.
I know, there's so many.
Oh, we got that connect, we got that detail connect. What's up, man? You got the connect, the detailing connect, you know, man, like the mystery box. Well, I guess I know who we can choose for T-shirt Tuesday because we definitely have a detailing connect shirt. Yeah. So it's Detailing Connect T-shirt Tuesday.
DetailConnect.com. Get your mystery box on, baby. This week on T-shirt Tuesday, we're giving a shout out to Detailing Connect. If you've never heard of them before, go check them out. They got an awesome mystery box. Doing your boxes, I think it's every month. www.detailingconnect.com. Awesome new website selling Lake Country products along with some of your other favorite brands. They got a great website, cool shirts, and actually awesome logo too. So we want to give them a shout out. Thanks for selling our products. Thanks for supporting us. And go check out detailingconnect.com. And this week, if you go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and comment on this specific video, we're gonna give away something really special next week. We'll announce the winners on our next T-shirt Tuesday. So you only got 7 days to check out this video, subscribe to our channel, and like it. We're gonna give you a cool Lake Country shirt, but we're also gonna give you some other cool swag and something special for you. So come on, check us out and hit that button, baby.